Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy M31. Okay, first we gotta open up the settings and you need to make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi. Then scroll down, click on About Phone, go into Software Information, and now we gotta tap on the build number a few times in a row until we see that developer mode has been enabled. Then go back to the main page of the settings, scroll down, tap on Developer Options, and we gotta turn on the OEM unlocking feature. Tap on it, click on Enable. Our bootloader isn't fully unlocked yet, but before we fully unlock it, that's the good moment to create a backup of the data, because you need to be aware that if you unlock the bootloader, the phone will perform a factory reset and everything will be erased from the device. So that is why it's good to create a backup right now. Okay, now to fully unlock the bootloader, we gotta power off our device, so hold the power key and pick power off function. Now, we also need to have an USB cable that is connected into our computer, and now we gotta hold both volume keys at the same time, and now insert the cable to your phone. Keep holding the volume keys until you see this menu. Now we gotta hold volume up, and now it's asking us, do you want to unlock the bootloader? Click on volume up to confirm. Now the phone will perform the factory reset. We can also unplug the cable. We can see the notification that the bootloader is unlocked, but just to make sure, we'll also verify everything in the settings. Okay, now we gotta wait until our phone turns on, and then we'll go through the setup process, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, the phone has turned on. We gotta quickly select the language, then click on Start. Select that you agree, click Next. Scroll down, click on Agree. I'm about to skip the Wi-Fi, so thanks to that, the setup process will be much faster. But of course, if you want, you can of course connect. Okay, I don't want to copy any of my data. Click on Next. More, accept. Skip. Next. Skip, skip. Finish. And now we gotta connect to the Wi-Fi manually. Or if you have done it during the setup process, you don't have to do it. You just need to be connected. So that's the thing that I'm about to do right now. Connections, Wi-Fi, pick available network, type the password, hit the connect button. Okay, then go back to the main page of the settings, scroll down, About Phone, Software Information, tap on the build number until you see that developer mode has been enabled. Then go back, scroll down, Developer Options. And if it doesn't appear right in here, don't worry. Sometimes all you need to do is to go back and tap again. If it doesn't pop out the OEM unlocking feature, you can click on Software Update, click on Download and Install. You don't need to install any updates, but we are tapping on that just to connect to the Samsung server. That's the reason why we did it. Okay, and now it has appeared, as you can see. And it needs to look exactly like that. So OEM unlocking feature is enabled, and it says that bootloader is already unlocked. That's the thing that we wanted to achieve, and it needs to look exactly like that. Now our bootloader is fully unlocked. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.